Welcome to the Book Club Podcast, the place where hidden truths and untold stories come alive. Life, relationships, struggles, healing. It's all here. So keep watching, subscribe now, and share this with someone who needs this conversation. The next story could change everything for you or for them.
Settling seems small at first. You tell yourself, it's fine, I don't need more. At least they're here. At least it's something. But slowly, settling eats away at your worth. Because every time you accept less than you deserve, you teach your heart to stop expecting better. You start lowering the standard of love, the standard of respect, the standard of care, until you forget what real love even looks like. But hear me, real love does not shrink you. It does not silence you. It does not leave you begging for scraps. When you settle, you're not just losing love, you're losing yourself. And you deserve to be fully seen, fully valued, fully loved. So stop apologizing for your needs. Stop making excuses for half love. Because the moment you refuse to settle, is the moment you start living like you're truly worthy. And that's the truth. You've been worthy all along.